To reset your Phantom wallet and create a new wallet, follow these steps. First, open the Phantom Wallet extension in your browser. If you have the extension installed, it should be visible in the top right corner of your browser window. Click on the Phantom icon to open the extension. Next, click on the Settings icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. This will take you to the Phantom Wallet settings page. On this page, look for the Reset or Remove Wallet option. This option may be labeled as Reset Wallet, Remove Wallet, or Reset Account. Click on the Reset or Remove Wallet option to start the reset process. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to reset your wallet. Confirming this action will delete all data associated with your current wallet, including your account balance, transaction history, and wallet address. After confirming the reset, your wallet will be reset to its default state. You will then be prompted to create a new wallet. To create a new wallet, click on the Create New Wallet option. You will be asked to create a password and confirm it. Choose a strong and unique password to secure your new wallet. You will also be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to save your seed phrase in a safe and secure location, such as a hardware wallet or a secure note-taking app. Once you have created your new wallet, you will be taken to the Phantom Wallet dashboard. From here, you can view your wallet balance, send and receive cryptocurrency, and manage your wallet settings. Remember to always keep your wallet password and seed phrase secure to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. By following these steps, you can reset your Phantom wallet and create a new wallet. Remember to always use a strong and unique password, and save your seed phrase in a safe and secure location. This will help to keep your wallet and cryptocurrency secure.